Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Havilah, and in this video I'm going to be attempting to do jumbo box braids for the first time. I saw a video on it online and I was like, how hard can this be? So I tried it on myself last week, just one braid, and I got it. So I got all my supplies with me that I think I need, and I got my mirror in the back so I can make sure I'm parting my hair correctly. And yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. Bear with me. Let's go. One down. I don't know how many left to go, but we're in it to win it now. I have to make a run to the beauty supply store. Go figure. Because I only have 2 packs of hair left, and by the looks of it, I ain't gonna make it. It's looking like a dinosaur. This is like a mission for me, but we're gonna power through.
Gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Mask on, fucking mask on. Mask on, fucking mask on.
Okay, now we out of here. Toodles to you bitches. And if you dialed up, I got the voodoo for you bitches.
Can you imagine how I'm gonna act when my hair is fully done? Okay, so good morning. Last night, I was so tired, I just couldn't even finish my hair. And then I also was looking at the hair I had left on the floor, and I was like, oh, this is not enough. Again, so I went to the beauty supply store again this morning. So in total, you need 6 packs of hair, minimum, to do this. And I could have done it a little bit smaller. I could have done them a little bit smaller, but trial and error, trial and error. So, I'm just gonna record the rest of this. It's not really a tutorial, more like a vlog. I don't know. I've been standing up, sitting down. I can't sit down while I'm doing my hair. It's a lot of standing up. Can't sit down.
Mask on, fucking mask on. Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch. 2 cups, toss out with the game. From food stamps to a whole nother domain. Out the bottom, I'm a living proof too.
This is why it takes me forever.
Records.
Oh, I want to play that back. Nailed it. Yasmin's on the oven. No, I'm looking at my worst life. Oh, you look beautiful. Oh, you look gorgeous. Shout out. So good. She up for all. I'm so impressed with you. These look so good. I love you with braids. They look good with braids. Is just like my life. No, me with braids is like, why don't I need? Because I need dreads. Okay, we're going from like 0 to 5 million. No, we're talking about
That's
braids.
all I know how to do is 0 to 100.
2,000 years later.
So I finally finished my hair. I just sealed the ends. Serve.
Alright, let me go in the curl, man. Bro, how many ones you getting, bro? Alright, boy, man, I'll see you now. Round of applause, baby, make that clap. Drop it to the floor, make that clap. Round of applause, baby, make that
Yes, for the summer!
clap. Let me see you bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it, baby, drop it to the floor.